Welcome back to the channel. Today's the day 𝗪𝗏𝗏's RS7 goes stage 2, unfortunately for me. We did the OEM Plus stage 1 software on it the other week while it was on the sale. So now we've got some decat downpipes to fit, somehow. And then we're going to upgrade the software to the stage 2, the OEM Plus. So here we go. I don't know where to start. We'll just make it up as we go along. Hopefully we'll get it finished today. If not, well, 𝗪𝗏 will be staying here tonight. Let's go.
𝗪𝗏, why are you cleaning the car before the work's even started?
Go faster spray.
Go faster spray.
It's 5 horsepower.
It's grease repellent so that I can leave my handprints everywhere and it'll wipe straight off.
Shouldn't you be cleaning it after the work's been done, mate?
Quality service. Clean before and after.
What are you struggling with there, Ben?
Everything.
Heated seats in the rear as well, pal. Fucking right.
Lee, have you got, can you,
Heated seats in the rear.
do you want to swap?
Keep it out.
They can do.
Probably be better off letting you do this, wouldn't I?
Where's that grinder, your favourite tool? I'll get that out, no problem.
The old ones, yeah.
Piss that lot.
Easy that,
The
lad.
young one, you're right. They're jumping up on plugs as well.
You're getting there, Ben.
Getting where? I haven't got anywhere yet.
In there.
All I've done so far is
Mind the way.
absolutely nothing and cut my hand. So I've been on it about, well, I've been on it now 5 minutes or so. We've already got all the bulkhead and heat shield off, you know, dead easy. Dead easy. Anyone could do one of these, even at home, I reckon. Yeah?
Easy.
Yeah.
I've done this in the living room.
I reckon we'll have it done in half an hour to an hour, probably.
Yeah.
No, not really. I've spent about an hour and chopped most of my fingers off getting that little piece of metal off back there, so I'm not very happy.
Just think all the skin you're going to take off, putting them back.
Yeah.
Ken and Barbie.
Come on, 𝗪𝗏, what are you actually doing, mate?
Take the air filter casing out.
What are you going to do with that then?
I'm going to put an induction kit in it.
An induction kit, yeah?
Induction.
Induction?
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Capital I. For induction.
So what's it going to sound like then, do you think?
Gonna sound like a Nova on carbs.
An over on carbs?
Yeah.
Wow. You look like you know what you're doing there, mate.
What do you think?
Yeah, have you worked in one of these garages before?
Never worked in a car in my life.
No?
That's the way it works, isn't it?
Yeah.
How the fuck's that coming?
Don't know.
Oh, sure.
Writing some labels, we'll put everything back in the right place.
Bloody hell, 𝗪𝗏, you're not going to find no loose change down there, mate.
I thought I could have swallowed a couple of pound coins rattling around in there.
Oh wait, that was your big end.
Oh yeah. I've got a big end.
Oh yeah, sorry, your little end.
Little ends. I thought we just pulled out of there personally. But
13 AUDI RS7. So really straightforward procedure. The only thing you're going to need is a set screwdriver and a very small amount of mechanical know-how. First step is to...
You worked out how to do it, yeah?
YouTube.
YouTube.
It's a mine full of information is YouTube.
Do you watch our channel?
No.
No.
There's nothing on there worth watching really.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You've had a couple of, recently, you've had some rubbish Audis, haven't you?
Some
On the
Audis.
channel, yeah.
Crap here.
RS7.
C63 is the way to go. AMG.
Do you reckon, Ben?
Installation and removal kind of a no-brainer.
They're all shit.
Go on to this pen, it just pulls out.
Oh yeah.
You can tell you've done that before, testing things.
Oh, I'm not having this. Look at this! Not paying myself enough to bleed.
Been an hour now, Ben, and you still haven't got these off, mate.
It's a 5-hour job, so what, you know, you can't take them out in an hour.
So,
If
so
it's,
it's going to be done in like 4 hours, is it?
that's if you've done one before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how many of these have you actually done?
None.
None?
No. That's why this isn't a how-to, because I don't know how to. I think these are the downpipes, aren't they?
No, them are the uphipes.
Just chuck us a bar. What length? Longish. Alright, La.
You want a medium?
Yeah. Easy this.
Span it.
We left the first half out because there was too many fucks in it.
And Lee wasn't here. Easy, isn't it? Told you it's not bad.
There's to be fair, that is unbelievable that even for once Audi says that is like a 7-hour job.
Yeah, but we're only halfway there.
You may as well set them turbos off now.
Genuinely, what's that? Like an hour and a half, is it? Ish.
Actual time, I suppose.
Pissing about with.
Yeah, the bigger things coming out must be worse than.
Worse than
no,
they're not, mate. They're not. The downpipes they're the hard parts. Them shield. They're the worst parts. Okay. However, they might be easier to drop in with the decat pipes.
Because it's not bulky.
Not taking up as much room, yeah. So now that we've done that really awkward part, it'd be a shame not to take the turbos off. Get some massive hybrids done and throw 1,000 brake at it.
Why not?
Yeah.
Is that all?
Yeah.
It's not worth papping about with 1,000.
Okay, 1,200.
That's more like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll be another video.
You can really make me sick then, Daz, by doing some launches.
What happened the other day when we were doing launches, Smiler?
I close my eyes, my head goes funny. Literally does.
Right, let's get them in.
Get them in.
Do a click, Ben. Oh no, I wasn't recording. You have to show me that gasket again. Genuinely. So, and what did we say? The Aldi gaskets have gone in the bin.
The gaskets he's
and
got
instead
from,
we're using
from the middle of Lidl they came from.
The Aldi gaskets, we're binning them and going with the original Audi gaskets.
Cheap Japanese special.
That came with it. Originally, that the Downpipes originals had installed. We're going to go with them. And this is Smiler's eBay purchase, was it, Smiler?
Sure was.
Wrapped by his very own hands, look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like a professional.
Is it wood?
I can verify that. I did wrap them because my hands itched for weeks after.
Good news and bad news for you. The good news is them downpipes weren't that bad to get out.
The bad news is
these don't fit.
That wouldn't surprise me with Smiler.
No, wouldn't surprise me either.
Nothing a hammer won't sort out.
So, get the BFH on it.
Yeah.
You know, as I'm doing this now, should I get my Darth Vader on so that people don't get weirded out that it's not Lee on behind the camera?
Yeah.
There you go, everyone. There's a bit of Lee. What's the actual overall fitment like?
Well, overall they fit.
One hand and t'other.
Yeah.
Hey up. So is that it? Video over?
Yeah, it's done.
That's it, done.
Yeah,
right,
done.
see you again. What was it? Like, subscribe, share. See you later.
Hit the bell icon.
Hit the bell icon. Comment down below if you think Smiler should sell the car within 40 minutes of getting this all done.
What do you have an offer?
Have you? I bet you have as well, haven't you?
Spanner lah.
We'll change this exposure midway through. Lee's going to love this.
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, he's going to love editing this, so I just changed exposure midway through a shot.
Just got some sick effects on that and it'll be sound.
So, Dan's been filming. Well, I've now getting that cleaned. And now I'm back. How we getting on, boys?
Finished, mate, nearly.
Finished?
Yeah.
2 hours.
You missed all the good stuff.
But by the looks of it, we are pretty much finished. There's the cats. Where's the downpipes?
On the car, lad.
Oh, are they?
Did you not film that?
No.
We've been working hard when you've been out washing cars.
Yeah, I was busy.
You did say you was buying the breakfast, didn't you? And the dinner.
Have you met Lee before? You've got no chance, mate.
Yeah, no chance of platting fog.
Yeah.
Platinum fog?
Yeah.
So the man I know's got a pin code on his wallet.
You know what? I reckon I could actually plat fog, you know. Do you want me to show you how to do it?
Go on then.
Yeah. Do you reckon, Ben?
Definitely. If anyone can.
I can.
Lee can.
Downpipes are in. Smiler's still pissing about with the airbox. And it's time for the this nasty thing. See if we can squash this back in. If not, we'll throw it away and just call it weight saving or something.
Sounds like a plan to me.
It's not needed, is it?
Yeah. In fact, if you close the bonnet now, that should stay in place.
The bonnet will keep it there, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a bit of a power bulge in the bonnet, but
So we're calling this done then, are we?
yeah, I have been.
You have been, yeah. What do you mean? £3? Fucking hell.
Just bought you dinner.
£3 for chicken curry and you're calling that done?
Have a can of pop.
Where you that you
Why
said?
are you coming here putting your 2 pence in?
Because, to be fair, your knowledge fucking astounds me. It's unreal, mate. Your ability to take responsibility for anything good that happens here, right? Absolutely, it's surpassed by no man. His ability to claim credit for everything is surpassed by no man.
Come on, 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 knows I am the main man here. He said it many a times.
He is the main boy.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Got it in your pen?
What are you saying, Ben?
This is tight.
Doesn't quite fit like a glove.
It does.
It will do.
Well, in a minute. Just a really small glove.
How did that light feel, Smiler?
Glad.
Yeah, on the end of your head.
Leaving. If I'd have been in work today, I'd have been on my way home now.
Where's your papa?
There, look.
Fucking mega. Hang on, not yet. No. Not ready for that. Not ready for that yet. Not ready for that yet.
Jumping the gun.
Are you jumping the gun here?
Sorry, mate.
You sure they just push on?
Hell, are you alright?
Fucking issues.
I'd go and wipe that if I were you. Somebody who's never touched one of them clips before should be that brave.
Go on.
Ah, like that, is it?
Yeah,
Like for me to see fucking blood squirt at the windscreen, are you?
Carry on.
Oh, no, it's not on the fucking pipe yet. Yeah, I'm not fucking happy with that.
Good job Lee was filming this, wasn't he?
I know better go on.
Day 4.
oh, look at that now. Cover on, job done. What's that, 1 hour 35 is it something? 1 hour 35?
You done well, mate.
It wasn't 1 hour 35, but I reckon it was under 4 hours, I think, so 4 hours-ish, yeah, happy days. Just got to tune it now.
Tuna,
Give it the go-go juice.
let's start it up or what?
Cold start.
Yeah, we'll have a cold start, haven't we?
What do you mean it's not cooled down yet? I've done it that quick.
You happy?
No, it's not loud enough.
Not loud enough.
The 4-inch system on it.
Go on then, let's hear it. Ready for remapping now, is it?
That's it.
All done.
We'll get the stage 2 upgrade flashed on here and get it down the road. See how slow she is.
You gonna put a smile on your face, you?
After.
After.
After I annoy the neighbours a bit more.
It's not that loud, is it?
Not loud enough.
Not loud enough.
Gutted.
So what we're gonna do then to make it louder?
Take the exhaust off, just have some downpipes.
So the ghost code's what? Up, down, left, right, round and round, aircon.
Yeah. Accelerator twice.
Yeah. And then handbrake up, down.
Yeah.
Left.
Oh, there's a handbrake on it.
Left on the multimedia. Well, look at that.
Found it.
It knows who you are, look.
Is that his address on there so
Yeah.
you can... Yeah?
Yeah.
My mum's address, that was.
Zoom in.
Yeah.
This is where the car is parked 24/7.
Yeah, can't afford to put petrol in it.
I was going to say, don't worry about it. You can come and
off.
pinch if you bring a jerry can.
So yeah, it's the morning after the night before. It isn't really, it's like a couple of days afterwards because Smiler had to shoot off and it got dark. You went out in the OEM Plus car. We've gone from stage 1 to stage 2 on the offer. That's gone now, you've missed it. It was a great offer, to be fair, wasn't it? You can still go from stage 1 to stage 2 and no upgrade free, but what did you think of the car?
Yeah, I mean, it's good. The problem is with any car like that is they're so kind of comfortable and quiet that they never really feel as fast.
It wasn't as quiet as when it was...
No, it was a little bit louder than when it first came in, but they're so kind of well built and put together and quiet that they never feel maybe as fast as they really are. Apart from the only thing I can say is it was a cold day, I had really cold feet at the end of it, and when we went out for a test drive we went down the slip road, and it's the first time I've ever had this feeling, but I literally could feel the cold blood travel up my legs from my feet when he accelerated, so it must have been pretty quick.
Winner. It was quick then,
Yeah.
but we're going to leave it at that. We're probably going to do another video when it's a bit drier outside because it's just absolutely like just useless doing any race box stuff at the minute. We'll probably try just for shits and giggles anyway, but if you haven't already then please see some of the other videos we've done before. We'll include a few cards in this video, but if you're new to the channel then welcome and please consider subscribing, hit that bell icon to stay notified. What else do you want them to do, Ben?
Thumbs ups, comments, questions, all that sort of stuff.
All that jazz. Anyway, we're done. We're going to get on with some work. Enjoy your week and we'll see you on Wednesday and Friday. Cheers, guys.